like you said, I am not just an ordinary barrister. I am a barrister with a heavy laden. Yes,
yeah, I see.
With a heavy laden. Even during my school time, people try to test my obligational iniquity into my career. In school, the judge who is the lecturer who lectures us inside the barrister. Now 3 years on I hear I read this course. 3 years in Kati, every other course has some carry over.
Just 3 years.
3 years in Kati. Because of the too much of brain. Even the brain can't too much. Anybody where remain in school, that person is wasting his time. Come on, has some carry over. Any course has some carry over. Or take any of them carry over just because they don't see education is too much. And for me to stay there to continue to waste time, it is an obligation. So I have to be carried over. Even in my all my courses, now F9, I get all of them.
F9?
Yes!
Do you know the meaning of F9 actually?
F9 is, F stands for favor.
Favor?
Favor into 9 places. For somebody to be favored in 9 places, do you know what it is? It is a heavy laden. Yeah, omnibus vendor. Yes. So when you see learned colleague, learned people like us, you need to respect us for whom we are and who we are unto. You want to go? So that is it. I am. Anyway, meeting you now is very, very abdominal. So what is the problem? What do you want to see me?
Actually, I came because I actually bought a land in the community. Actually, I want to develop a school for the younger ones because I found that there are no schools over here, and I've actually made an agreement with my government in France because I'm actually from France.
Ooh, Francis, okay.
And actually, they approved me that I should actually go on with the project. And your people have been giving me some serious headache, and actually I need your help, please, barrister, because it's becoming so difficult.
Okay. You buy land.
Yeah, I actually bought a land.
You want to build a community school?
Yeah.
For our people?
Yeah.
Now much are you want to build?
No.
Do you want to build hospital? I mean, you want to build burial ground?
No.
You want to build a place where they slaughter human beings?
No.
Not be place where people go come there. You want to build,
sure.
And somebody want to stop you. Anybody will see this kind of better thing say no go work for them. That person no charge and can get to question on your wali. On your water now, boy. Somebody who's
I don't get it very well.
You cannot get live that one why they talk. It depends on me and to me and into me.
Okay.
When anybody will see better thing like this where you want to say you no go work. Even if you're not supposed to buy land, you're supposed to come any land where you see. In fact, because of my autograph, because of my family in poster, I want you now to. Any land where you see now where you like, point at that land, start building anything. My career will cover you all. Okay. Yes, I am a carryover student. How would they see something? As you don't talk, I said for the development community society event, it is supposed to be given to you free of charge, and you are paying, and somebody is. In fact, you know what? Forget about every this thing. Let me enter your this thing for my paper. Right. What is wrong with people?
Right.
Because tell me what is your name, I beg.
My name is Mr. Jacques Jean-François.
Listen,
Mr. Jacques Jean-François.
What happened?
Yeah, that's my name. Can't you write French?
French, yeah. What is French? French, where I school? I school in French. I speak ahead of French. French is just an understatement. Okay. One international barrister. So, somebody who lives in Alaba International. He's not just an ordinary Alaba Aragomo, Alaba Nkete. Alaba International. That is where I migrated from. So I am an international person. Anybody that lives in Alaba International is an international person because that is international at the abbreviation of the Shona. You need the Shona, what I go. So your name is
Jean-François. Or do you actually want me to help you?
No, how can't I write it? It's just that some names we put it in audio. Yes, you get my voice note. I play
but you actually, my barrister, it is your responsibility to write down.
No, what do I need? The Bible I came out today, this is the ink for Igbo people's name. Maybe if your name is Amadi, Mwonwike, Mwebele, Mwocho, Mwom, Obagara, Mwele, Ekopraham, Utushi, all those things, I can easily write them with this Bible. But the Bible I normally used to write Francis people's name. I didn't come out with it. So what will happen? You give me your name in voice note inside this thing. Then computer will computerize it. There's no problem. Anyway, from the look of things now, from what I have gathered, The money you are going to pay now is you will give me like 600,000 naira to enter your name.
I'm going to come. Take all time. Yeah? Or because of this European times, now get something to help your own community. You know, now nonsense, eh? Yeah? If you take your piece, or what do you other things now? I'm not going to something, you know, now I'm shifting. In short, a matter of fact, I'm going to one thing. You don't even speak French. Vous comprenez rien du tout, mon frère. Man, get up from here, my friend. Get lost. Take your time, man. Take barrister.
Nguru fake barrister, go na go fake onyocha. Otro gbagbu enu. Otro kete kwa dey want to break chakwa ga abu brishi. Ina chakwa ka busu ndị ọcha. Make ina eme otro paso. French ọka Igbo mma. Ibranga emere m otro poso. Don't you know I speak French too? You know what proposal all French. I live inside French. It was on you was web go on your check and I see. It was on you was born your child. You will fake on here money to return out again. Organic cream. Maybe BB love him or legal like has one man. They are not chago papa gives me wood to pursue. La quaca here. School. Everybody some major and another man the Madiana. Everybody was wagam now. What book war here? I can't write her name with the onion. But then be that way you go build for us, where person never build. Boy,